My name is Isabel Johnson and I am doing ward hosting. I'm making teas and coffees and then giving them to the patients. Here I've got more confidence.
When it was introduced to us, we thought that this would be a good idea to take on board with the staff and the interns that we've taken on. You can learn different skills from housekeeping, catering, portering.
I help clean the wards with the tables and sweeping and stuff.
It's helped me a lot because obviously I'm gaining more confidence when I first started going through the progress. It's really fun and I'm enjoying it.
It helped me get work experience.
They learn a lot of interactive skills because we have a lot of patient contact. They learn skills of health and safety, of delivering a service that we provide for all patients.
It's a bit of, I think, more employability skills than anything else.
The internships are going very well at the moment. They've been taken on board by all sorts of staff, facility staff, the nursing staff and doctors. They seem to integrate with everybody over the last few months very well.
He's been helping us collect in, do the teas, giving more confidence because he was quiet when he came here. Now he's quite chatty now, no?
Yeah,
very chatty now.
I think these are valuable because it's a skill which they need to learn. We all got to start off somewhere, but none of us got the skills to start, and this will give them a bit of an highlight in their career to begin. Give them interactive with other members of the public, other members of staff.
I think I'd like to do portrait in the future, like this, in this hospital.
If this goes well, which it is going well at this present time, we would like to see us go on for the future for many years.